Hi guys, this is Country Fried. Thanks for joining in on my channel. Today we're going to be doing the rear diff fluid change on the 2020 Polaris Sportsman 850. So first thing you're going to need to do is it's best to take off the plastic skid plate. It's going to be 7 bolts that you're going to have to take off. It's going to be there, the 2 sides, and 2 up front. Once you take that off, you come back here. This is going to be your drain. This is going to be your fill, and that's going to be your drain. And we're going to be filling it with the Polaris angle drive fluid. And there's the part number. All right, so let's go ahead and hop into it, get started. I want to loosen that one up first. And I'm going to take the drain out. The fill plug out. Get me a rag. And we're just going to clean that out. Check your O-ring. Make sure the O-ring is good. It looks good. Got it all cleaned up. Set that to the side. And then probably didn't loosen it enough. All right, there we go. Hopefully I can hold the phone and do this at the same time. Make sure you have your drain pan underneath. Jesus Christ. And just let her flow. Oh my God, look at that. Now, for those of y'all who have been following me, again, this is a 2020 Polaris Sportsman 850. I bought it used about a month and a half ago from a private seller, and I finally got the gear change and fluid kit and everything. So this is the first time it's being done because I don't know if it has been done, so I'm doing it now. I've already done the oil and transmission. I'm just gonna let that drain for a good while, and then we'll come back. Okay, so got it all drained out. Let it drain for a good few minutes, make sure it all comes out. Got our drain plug here. I've already wiped it off. It's pretty gunky. Check our O-ring, make sure it looks good. Replace if needed on yours. And let's see, I gotta switch hands here. Alright guys, let's see if we can get this back in here. God. The problem that we're having is that this brake line runs right next to it. So give me a moment here. we're going to try and get this brake line out the way. I got to use 2 hands for this. All right, so we went ahead and got the drain plug back on. We're going to leave this open, and we're going to use our angle drive fluid, and you're going to fill it until it starts to come out of the fill plug. Okay. All right, so what we got here is I just got a little liquid transfer pump. Got the one end in the bottle. You can get the other end right there, and then grab your pump. And since I cannot do this with one hand, I'm going to put the camera down again, and I'm going to start pumping the fluid, and I'll come back. All right, I got it filled up. Apparently it doesn't take even a full quart, so barely took half a quart. Get our fill plug. And put it back on there. Okay. And that's how you place the rear differential fluid. Again, this is on the 2020 Sportsman 850. Thank you for tuning in. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. If you have any comments, leave them down below, and I'll get back at you. Peace.